Hello, dears. How are you? I'm fine. Today we are going to talk about farm animals. Listen and repeat, please. Cow, cow, cow. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Duck, duck, duck. Pig, pig, pig. Horse, horse, horse. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Bye-bye.
Hi kids, how are you today? Are you good? I'm fine. Hope you're well too. Now that you have learned the names of the farm animals, let's look how to write them. Okay, let's go. We start with the pig. Where's the pig? Can you tell me where's the pig? Is it here? No, it's a cow. Is it here? No, it's a chicken. Here it is. Here is the pig. And is it pig or big? Which one? Big or pig? Is it big or is it pig? It's pig. Yes, very good. Pig. Now let's look at the duck. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Pig, cow, horse, sheep, duck. It is the duck. And is it duck, duck, or is it black? Duck or black? Which one? Duck or black? Yes, it's duck. Okay, let's go to another one. Yes? Okay, let's go to the sheep. Can you tell me where's the sheep? Pig, chicken, cow, horse, duck. It is the sheep. And you spell it sheep or sheep. Which one it is? Which one is it? You think it's sheep? Is it sheep or is it jeep? Which one? Sheep or jeep? Sheep or jeep? Is it jeep? No, it's sheep. Very good. Duck, sheep, pig. Very good. And now let's look at the chicken. Where's the chicken? Chicken. It is here, the chicken. And you spell it chicken or kitchen. Which one is it? Kitchen or chicken? Kitchen, chicken. Yes, it's chicken. Very good. Now where's the cow? The cow. Chicken, duck, sheep, pig. Oh, the cow. Cow or brown. Cow, brown. Cow, brown. Yes, it's cow. Very good. And now the horse. Duck, chicken, sheep, pig, cow, horse. Horse. Horse or porch. Which one is it? Horse or porch? Can you tell me? Which one is it? Yes. Horse, Porsche. Horse. Yes, it's this one. Horse. Okay? Well, let's repeat again. Duck, chicken, sheep, horse, cow, pig. Very good, students.
Hello children, how are you? I'm fine and I hope you're fine too. So today we are learning the farm animals. That's why I'm going to tell you a story, and the story is Spot Goes to the Farm.
Oh.
So Spot is a little dog and he lives with his dad and his mom. Today he's going to the farm with his dad. This is Spot's dad. Hey Spot, today we're going to the farm. Okay, Dad. What a wonderful day. Let's go. You will see lots of farm animals, my dear Spot. Okay, let's go. The first place we'll go is the barn. Who lives in the barn, Dad? Well, you will have to guess. Just listen. Moo, moo. Oh, I know. It's the cow. That's it, Spot. You are very clever. It's a cow. Hello, cow. Oh, very good. So let's go to a different place. Now we'll go to the stable. Who lives in the stable, Dad? Well, I don't know. You'll have to guess. Pay attention. Nay. Oh, I know, Dad. It's a horse. Yes, it is. You're right, Spot. Hello, horse. Goodbye, horse. Come on, Spot. We're going to a different place now. I guess that's something behind the bush. Oh, yes, there is that. Let's see what it is. It's a rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Oh, what a lovely rabbit. Goodbye, rabbit. Come on, Spot. Let's see more animals. Who's hiding in the straw? Oh, I don't know that. I'll have to check. Listen to the sound. Cluck, 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 cluck. Oh, I know. It's a chicken. A really nice chicken. Hello, chicken. Goodbye, chicken. Oh, Spot, you're so clever. Hurry up. Let's go. There are more animals to see. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, so many sheep. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many sheep. You're right, Spot. Let's go. Hurry up. There are more animals to see. Right now, we're going to the pond. To the pond? Yes, to the pond. Who lives in the pond? I don't know. Pay attention. Listen to the sound. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, I know who lives in the pond. It's a duck. What a beautiful duck. You're right, Spot. What a beautiful duck. But hurry up. We'll have to go. Listen, there are more animals over here. Which animal is it, Dad? You'll have to guess. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, I guess I know. It's a pig. In fact, there are 3 pigs. 1, 2, 3. Mommy pig and 2 little piglets. Oh, so sweet. Goodbye, piglets. Let's go, let's go. We'll have to go home now. They were crossing the garden when suddenly Spot listened to a sound. Meow, meow. Oh, what is it, Dad? I don't know. You'll go and you'll check. Oh, lovely cats. A mommy cat and 3 little kittens. So lovely. Hello, cats. Goodbye, cats. they went home. So, Spot, did you enjoy our day? Yes, Dad, I loved our visit to the farm. I saw lots and lots of animals. It was really fun. Oh, so nice. Glory, glory. This is the end of the story. Okay, so now we're going to play a game. It's the game Guess Who's Talking. You're going to listen to a sound and you'll have to guess which animal is talking. Listen. Can you guess what animal is it? Yes, it's a pig. Of course, it's a pig. Well done. Let's listen to another sound. Oh, this one is easy. It's the chicken, of course. Very good. Let's listen to another animal. Can you guess? Can you? Of course, it is a duck. Very good, well done. Let's keep on going. Another sound. What do you think it is? What? Yes, it's a sheep. Very good, you're very smart. Let's go on. Another sound. Do you know which animal is it? What? Yes, it's a cow. Very good. A cow. Okay, next sound. Okay, this one I'm sure you know. What is it? What? A cow? No, it's not a cow. Yes, of course. It's a horse. Very good. All the animals. You guessed all the animals. The chicken, the pig, the cow, the duck, the horse, and the sheep. Very good, fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed this game. Goodbye, children. Have a nice week.
Hello kids, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Look, I have here little Rocky's family. Okay, they are at the farm feeding the animals. Do you remember the little Rocky's family? Dad or father, mom or mother, sister and brother. They are at the Old MacDonald farm. Do you know the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm? You do? Get ready to sing with me, okay? Let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow? Neigh? Moo? Yeah! With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. What does a chicken say? Neigh? Moo? Cluck? Yeah, cluck! With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. Rabbit. Neigh. Quack. Yeah. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Pizza? Oh, no pizza, no. Oink. Yeah, oink. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Meow. Woof woof. Baa. Neigh. Yeah, neigh. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And that's all for today, kids. Hope you enjoy it. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly.
Okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye-bye. See you later.
Kids, thank you for your attention. Good week, okay? Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.